Hello everyone. This video is recorded for Hunt for India's Best Academic Project contest organized by CrazyEngineers.com. I am Akshay Nagpal and this is my individual entry. My college name is the North Cap University, Gurgaon, Haryana. My project's title is Voice Control Personal Assistant using Raspberry Pi. So the aim of the project was to make a personal assistant that can be interacted solely through the user's voice and help the user in doing simple tasks like checking mailbox, weather conditions, as well as complex tasks like recognizing the person at the door. The project was written in Python programming language as it is the official language used for programming the hardware that I used, which was Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi Model 2 The Raspberry Pi 2 Model B has a 900 MHz CPU and 1 GB RAM. Google Speech API was used for speech to text conversion, and eSpeak API, which is an open source speech synthesizer, was used for text to speech conversion. OpenCV was used for face detection, and after detecting the face, normalized cross correlation method was used to match the faces and for face recognition. So in order to implement the speech recognition, I have used a tool that has been provided for free by Carnegie Mellon University, and it is known as CMU Lex tool. This tool generates a pronunciation dictionary from a list of words, and it is in a form which is suitable for being used with a speech recognizer. So let us see an example here. We have, for example, this list of words, Cyrus being the first word, which is the name by which we identify the machine. So these words are given as an input to the CMU Lex tool, and after that the output that we get is, so here you can see .dict file is the output, and in this file we have the pronunciations of each of the input word we provided. This is just an example file. The original file contained much more words, and here are some of the common words. Now you can see here most of the words have a single pronunciation, but some words have more than a single pronunciation, like what can be pronounced in two different ways, and which or with. So this is how I did the speech recognition using the Lex tool. This is the complete assembled unit of the prototype, and expanding a bit on the parts used in the hardware, you can see here that this is the stand on which the whole system stands. This is our Raspberry Pi, which is the brain of the project. This power bank I used to provide the necessary power to the Raspberry Pi, and for taking the input from the user, I've used a webcam with an integrated mic, which solves both the purposes of face recognition and also taking the voice input. For giving the output, I've used these USB speakers, and for providing internet access to the Raspberry Pi, I have used internet cable. A USB dongle can also be used alternatively, but I wanted to make this prototype cost effective, hence I've used the most cost effective option available. The project was completed on 28th of April 2016, and I'd love to demonstrate the major features of the personal assistant, which follow in the video.
How can I be of service, Akshay?
Cyrus, introduce yourself.
My name is Cyrus. I am a voice-controlled personal assistant. My body is Raspberry Pi. My memory is 16 gigabytes. My eyes are 5 megapixels.
Cyrus, what's the weather?
Today, the weather will be clear. High colon 43 and then, see.
Cyrus, can you calculate something for me?
What do you want to calculate?
32 plus 49.
The answer is 81.
Cyrus, I'm curious to know about something.
What are you curious about?
Machine learning.
Okay, let me see what I can find. Machine learning is a subfield of computer science that evolved from the study of pattern recognition and computational learning theory in artificial intelligence. Do you want to know more?
Yes.
Okay, let me see what I can find. In 1959, Arthur Samuel defined machine learning as a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning explores the study and construction of algorithms.
Cyrus, check email.
You have 5 unread emails. Senders include Gmail team, Gmail team, Gmail team, @Shane Apple.
Cyrus, capture.
Face detection successful.
Now if we open the images folder where the images are supposed to be saved, we can see the currently captured image. So this is the full image captured through the webcam, and then using OpenCV the face was detected and cropped from the image, which was then transferred into the grayscale mode. So here you can see both the images. This is the complete image and the other one is the cropped image. Cyrus, who made you?
I was created by @Shane Apple.
The project can be used in various real life scenarios and implementations. It can be installed in any home and a person can interact with it while doing anything. It's just like an assistant but all artificial intelligence. This project can help the visually impaired to connect with the world by giving them access to Wikipedia, calculator, email, and music, all through the voice. The voice controlled calculator can be used as it is for visually impaired people in primary school. In addition to the previous two implementations, this prototype can also be used as a security system at home. Initially, all the faces of the people that are known to the user are stored in a database. When a person comes at the door, the user can capture his image and the face is extracted from the image. Then this face is compared to the database of known faces, and using normalized cross correlation, the system classifies the visitor as friend or stranger. No project is perfect, and this is also a prototype, so there's future scope of improvement in this. The calculator can be improved to compute more complex mathematical expressions, as currently it works for division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Also, multiple face detection can be implemented in this prototype, as it currently supports only single face detection. Now, why this project should win the competition? Usually, projects belong to a single industry in terms of application, but my project has various aspects like entertainment, computation, face recognition, and security. Also, it is a unique combination of inclusion and productivity. Inclusion because it is enabling the visually impaired and aged people to use the basic features of a digital personal assistant. And it is also enabling productivity because for a normal person, it is the prototype is tackling the most basic tasks while he or she is busy doing other important work. Overall, it was a great experience working on the project. It challenged me and also made me understand the importance of contributing to the society through the work I do. I hope that I am able to make this prototype more useful for both the visually impaired and sighted people. Cyrus, play music.
boo boo.